Alrighty, everyone. Welcome back to Alan Dev. Today we have a OnePlus Open, which, it does work fine, but I just realized this time and date's not right. But anyways, the folding screen's fine, but the actual front screen, yeah, you can see at the bottom here is a little bit cracked. So today I'm going to try and attempt to replace this. I noticed there wasn't like any videos of any YouTubers covering this, so this will be kind of going in blind, and maybe I just won't upload this if I fail. So, anyways, yeah, here we go.
So strong, pigeon fly rhymes, mission for the ghost dog. Brought to a stop, finger bump on a broke screen. Lower level lines at the bottom of the whole lead. Obnoxious soda in a funk track, the sinus. Caress the keys, we going back to Linus. Brush off the whitewash, denounce the Coptic. Seeker of savant, shine clean out the optic. Point at a pentagram, insult the dark spawn. Block the outside, feast the trumpets with Armstrong. A worldwide church and a child with a briefcase. Following the pack, holding lies as a keepsake. Prophets and false hope, thrust with kinship. Developing a peace, now you trust the empty. Paying fees up in the thug scene. Panoramic slate, that's a permanent obstruction. People stay, it's a world up in destruction.
Alright, so I got the screen back on. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Let me just test the front camera here. And let me peel this. Exit. Yeah, front camera seems pretty clear. And it's working. I'd like to peel this side thing off and just get a look at the screen now. Oh, there's already a screen protector applied. Sweet. And then let's look at the edges here. Yeah, seems pretty flush with the case here. Aside from the corner, which you can see has a small little dent from previously where the other screen was cracked. But yeah, I think I got this installed pretty well. Clearly, it's probably not going to be as waterproof as before, or water rated, but I could have used this B7000 glue, but using that is a little bit more, things can get a lot more messy. So I think the other tape I used was rated for smartphones, but you know, I'm not sure if that was the right. I mean, it's sitting pretty flush aside from this corner, which I can probably no, that is sitting in there. It just looks different because it's dented. And the screen's obviously not falling out, right? So yeah, I think repair was a success. Let's check the inner screen really quick. Yep, no damage there. We have a pretty much repaired OnePlus Open here, which I got for, I believe, $350, or it was $400 after tax, I believe. So the screen replacement was $90, including shipping. So $500 for OnePlus Open. Not too bad. Hope that gave some other people insight onto how to repair the front screen here. But yeah, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.